Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And on today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of the Crazy Creek Hex chair. This is the 2.0 version. I've already sliced this box open, and I ordered two of these for personal use. I'm just going to bring one out here so we can take a look at this thing. It's pretty lightweight. This is under 20 ounces, I believe, so it's pretty awesome. So let's open this up, take a quick look, and then we'll do a full review on johnlaguardia.com/gear reviews. So, yeah, at first glance, this looks pretty sweet. It's got some buckles on the side, just to snap together. And that forms the seat. You can kind of take a look at that from a side profile. This is inside, I believe, is made of 20 denier ripstop nylon, and the outer is 120 denier. So a little more durable on the outer shell. Super lightweight. It's got a little hang tab if you need to hang it out to dry at camp. It also has some carbon fiber stays right in this area on both sides of the chair. So that gives it a little added rigidity. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward, easy to use. Down in the description below, I'll put a link to an online portion where you can take a look at that and see what you think about it. But love to hear your comments down below as well, and we'll provide you a future review in a future video. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.